Hi there, wealth builders. This is your king speaking, and you are watching Elite Finance King. Welcome to the Pride. Let's get into it. Today, let us demystify the magic of wealth creation that has been hiding in plain sight: compound interest. It's a financial term that is often heard, but how many of us truly understand its potential? Well, wealth builders, believe it or not, there are still many individuals who are not fully aware of the power of compound interest when it comes to building wealth. This lack of understanding might be what's standing between you and your financial goals. So, without further ado, come join your king and let's get started. Alright, let me ask you a fun question first. Have you ever wondered about the magic formula that could turn your savings into a treasure trove? Well, basically, that's what we are going to discuss today: compound interest. Wealth builders, compound interest is often hailed as the eighth wonder of the world. And guess who said it? Well, it's none other than Albert Einstein. Pretty interesting why compound interest interests one of the brightest people in our history, right? You see, compound interest is the process by which the money you've invested or saved grows over time, thanks to the interest it earns being reinvested, thereby earning even more and more interest. Now, your king wants you to imagine a snowball effect. The more interest you earn, the larger your initial investment grows, and subsequently, the more interest it earns in turn. Just like a small ball of snow gathering more snow as it moves along. This cycle continues, and over time, the power of compound interest can turn modest savings into substantial sums. Now, let's break it down further and explore how compound interest works, step by step. When you save or invest money, you earn interest on that initial amount, which is called the principal. But instead of withdrawing that interest, with compound interest, you leave it in the account so it becomes part of the principal. From that point on, you earn interest not just on the original principal, but also on the interest that was added to it. Wealth builders, this means that each time interest is added, it becomes part of the base that will earn more interest in the future. Over time, this process accelerates, leading to exponential growth. This is why it's often said that the most powerful factor in compounding is time. The longer your money is invested, the more it can grow. And that's why starting to save and invest early, even in small amounts, can have such a significant impact on your financial future. Now, when it comes to compounding interest, of course, it's not just you and your money. You also have some trustworthy allies in your corner. One of your biggest allies in the journey to compound wealth is time. Wealth builders, the earlier you start investing, the more time your money has to grow and benefit from compound interest. It's not about timing the market, but time in the market that counts. Listen to your king. Every year that your money is invested, it has the potential to earn interest, and then that interest earns interest, and so on. But time isn't your only ally. The magic of compounding interest can turn even modest sums of money into substantial wealth over time, right? And that's where the second ally comes in: consistency. Wealth builders, consistently contributing to your investments, even in small amounts, can create a snowball effect. Like your king said earlier, the more you invest, the more interest you can earn, and the more your investment can grow. You gotta take note. This disciplined approach of making regular contributions not only helps in taking advantage of market fluctuations, but also mitigates the risk associated with market volatility. So, this proves that by leveraging these two powerful allies, time and consistency, you can truly harness the power of compounding interest and set yourself on the path to financial freedom. Alright, wealth builders, another question that might be running through your mind is, how do you start this compounding effect? Well, of course, starting the compounding effect begins with making the decision to invest. And as your king, I must say that the best time to start is right now. The sooner you begin investing, the more time your money has to work for you, earning returns that are then reinvested to earn even more returns. This is the essence of compound interest. Your earnings generate additional earnings. And I want you to not believe in the common misconception that you need a lot of money to start investing. That's a no. In reality, even small amounts can grow significantly over time if you stick to a consistent investment plan. Now, once you've made your decision to invest, the next step is to look for investment opportunities that have the potential for high returns. This could include stocks, mutual funds, ETFs, or even real estate. While it's true that investments with higher potential returns often come with higher risks, this doesn't mean you should shy away from them. Instead, focus on taking calculated risks, wealth builders. This means doing your research, understanding the risks involved, and making informed decisions based on your financial goals and risk tolerance. You gotta make sure to protect yourself by having the right knowledge, right? Finally, it's crucial to understand that the true power of the compound effect comes from your allies, time, and consistency. The more time your money has to compound, the more powerful the effect becomes. And that is why I always emphasize the importance of starting to invest as soon as possible and continuing to invest consistently over time. Even if you cannot invest a lot of money at once, investing a small amount regularly can lead to significant growth over time. Therefore, do not wait to start benefiting from the compound effect. Start investing today and watch your money grow. Now, do you want to know where you will experience the true power of compound interest? Well, one of the best ways to experience it is through dividend investing. Wealth builders, investing in dividend-paying stocks allows you to earn regular income, which you can then reinvest to buy more shares. Over time, your investment grows and the dividends you receive also increase, creating a snowball effect. But here's the thing. If you're really interested in learning more about dividend investing and its snowball effect, check out our dedicated video on the topic. It will surely enlighten you about all things about dividend investing, I promise. There you have it, my loyal wealth builders. If you found this video valuable, please like, subscribe, and share it with your fellow financial dreamers. Your king here appreciates that. Until next time. And always remember, Pride members, life is short and it's too easy to be average. Make a change today.